KeySCAPE is a professional BIM authoring tool that can help to walk you through a project, from basic 2D design through specification and scheduling to full 3D visualization. Areas of planting can quickly be inserted into a drawing, with a vast range of existing graphics and the ability to create your own. With an extensive and modifiable plant database, specification lists can be used to tag the graphics with the desired information. A customizable schedule can be inserted, where any changes made to the planting in the drawing will automatically be reflected in the table. Paving can also be added, with automatic and accurate brick calculations. Create block-paved areas, edging and sweeping paths, which can also then be displayed in an automated schedule. Using contours or point data, triangulate a working surface model, which can generate cut and fill reports, visual assessments, and much more. Finally, combine all these elements for fully 3D visualizations.